I've used this Vevor Angle Grinder on 3 different projects so far without recharging the battery. It's got 2 divots left on the battery indicator. Wanted to see if it could do anything to this very thick steel with the cutting blade on it. That would be 1/4 inch right there. It's almost that thick. It's 2/10 of an inch. This is some thick steel right there. Has a quick release guard. You can move around to different positions. Comes with a grinding disc, spanner wrench, the charger and a battery. It does not come with these polishing discs and the little pieces that I gathered up in order to make them work on here. That's a different video. I got a whole pack of them here. Different video. I will tell you it does work well with those though. Still got 2 divots on the battery. What do you think about it, Shopcat?
Hey, if you like this video, we got a whole lot more. We've got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Saneauto. Binge watch Saneauto.